I'm going to ride a bicycle down the train tracks.
Oh, what do I see down my line? Wow, oh wow. Evil BSNCJL is riding a bicycle down the tracks.
Hello there. I can see that you have an angry face. What can I help you with today?
Well, Princess the Union Pacific Jivo, Evil BSNCJL is riding a bicycle down the tracks. Would you help me stop him?
Yes, I can. I will help you stop Evil BSNCJL. Once again, he has to know that train tracks are meant for trains only. Like the pedestrians, bicyclists should not be on the tracks either. Come on, UP 6378. We are going to stop Evil BSNCJL.
I'm going to continue riding down the tracks until I reach the...
Stop it right there. Evil BSNCJL, how dare you ride a bicycle down the train tracks? You know that train tracks are meant for trains only. That's it. We are taking you back to BSNCJL's mansion.
No need to send Evil BSNCJL to our mansion. We heard everything. Evil BSNCJL. We're disappointed in you for riding a bicycle down the train tracks. You know that train tracks are meant for trains only.
You are not a train, and you should not even be on the tracks.
And also, how dare you take that bicycle away from me? You doing that counts as an attempt of you taking our things away. Evil me, I've told you multiple times not to take our things away. You do not have the rights to take our things away. This stealing problem is supposed to end a while ago. And it has not. It needs to end right now. That does it. We are banishing you back to your castle. Get out of here and no more causing trouble ever again.
Wow.
And now, we have peace again.